Hello everybody, it's me. I'm back after a long, unfortunate hiatus. Been gone for a while. I've had some things happen down here at the shop. Some unpleasant things. First and foremost, hope all of you are doing well. For those of you who are subscribed, thank you very much. First and foremost, I plan on doing more videos. But the reason that I haven't been able to do many photos or videos or anything like that is because I had several strokes. Many of the strokes, two of which I had three, two of them I had to have physical therapy, and while I was doing that, folks that I had entrusted my shop to and my videos and programs, one of my charities that I sponsor, they just took the money and the equipment and did whatever they wanted. Money went missing, equipment went missing. I just got some of the pagers back from the police department. One of my HT1000s I redid for a customer, I just got back. One of the APXs I got back. It still has some of the packaging from when they ripped it open. Some of the radios were also stolen. Now I'm still trying to work on getting stuff back. So it's been an uphill battle. During the time that I was out, I had promised a very good friend of mine to have or be treated like a VIP. His name is Wally. He's a very dear, good friend of mine. And his radio and his mic, I was told, were shipped out. And long story short, they didn't do what I asked them to do. So Wally, I have received your text messages, and I just needed to make this video, particularly to explain what's going on, and so that you can see all my stuff is missing. And I got some of it back today from the detectives, and it's been a long road to recovery. So just wanted to touch base with you all and let you know that I do have a bit of a treat for you. Yesterday I was tinkering with two of the radios I got back, the XTS 5000s, and I figured out how to get a talk permit tone with digital on conventional. That's right, radio to radio, P25 with talk permit tone. I'll tell you the secret when I put up that video. But yeah, it's been unfortunate. However, I can gladly say that I'm back, and I've had the love and support of my local police department. I've had the love and support of most of my friends. And the other unfortunate part is that I have to start from the ground up. I completely fired all of the staff, and now it's just me and my wife doing the radio business. And the good news is that I also got married. So I got married back in May, and right afterwards I had several strokes. I'll go into a little bit more about that some other time, but I had to sneak away and take some time to do this video for you guys. Let you know that I'm back. The shop will be bigger and better than ever. I have a lot of refurbishments that are going to be coming up. Got to finish painting, and I got to finish putting back the stuff that was broken and taken down. But just want to say I miss doing the videos, and I have a lot more planned. Hopefully I can go pick up my inventory from the police detectives once they finish with their case, or however this is going to transpire over the next few days. So with that, thank you for staying tuned to the Daily Comp Check, and I will see you guys tomorrow.